Hey, I'm Eddie Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com, and here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're going to tackle sweat. Our first question comes from Master Bagginses. Why is armpit sweat much more pungent than sweat that comes from other parts of the body, such as back sweat? This is a fact. It's because there's actually two kinds of sweat glands. We have the eccrine sweat glands, which are everywhere on your body, and they have a very, very mild smell. But when you start puberty, now you're dealing with apocrine sweat glands, which are activated under your armpit and also elsewhere. So basically, this is what's going on. When you sweat, inside your sweat, you have protein and you have lipids. That's being consumed by the bacteria on your body. And the byproduct of that is BO. And our next question comes from Jimmy Jazz. Why does spicy food make us sweat? Are our bodies actually increasing in heat? This is fiction. Peppers actually contain a chemical called capsaicin. It doesn't actually hurt you, but when it triggers your nerves, it makes your nerves think your mouth is much hotter than what it actually is. Your body actually starts sweating to cool itself down from the heat it thinks it's experiencing. But check this out. You could actually consume a pepper popsicle and your body will still have the same effect. Our final question comes from Space Negroes. Why do our hands get sweaty when anticipating strenuous activity and are often the first thing to sweat? What kind of survival situation is benefited by slippery but slightly cooler hands? This is a fact. Your hands probably start sweating first because it's actually much easier to cool your blood there. This is because your hands and feet have tons of tiny blood vessels right under the surface of the skin. That means when the sweat causes latent cooling, a much larger volume of blood can cool at the same time. It's actually so effective, they've actually invented a special cooling glove to help athletes use their hands cooling to recover more quickly. This is crazy, and several studies have actually proven this. There's athletes using these gloves and it actually helped them do hundreds of more push-ups per hour. I need these gloves. That's all for today, and thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.